Well, you guys, it's 19 degrees. They say it feels like it's 14 degrees. I just want to show you guys Owari Satsuma and Brown Select. Did they make it through the blizzard of 26? So far, so good. Uncovered. I refuse to cover them. I'm going to tell you why. Every time I cover them, something happened to them. Branches die, limbs break. When I leave them uncovered, when it get cold like this, they do just fine. I let the ice build up on them like this here. And for some reason, they don't mind that at all. They curl up like this, but then when it gets warm, a few of the leaves fall off and the tree is back to normal, producing fruit. So go ahead, check in. Let me know how your citrus trees is doing out in this cold, snowy mess.